Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see that gold is under little pressure right after the market opening. On Friday, after this heavy fall, gold took support around 2494 area and gold tried to bounce, ultimately close above 2500, around 2503. On Saturday, we discussed about mini trading opportunities, and there we also discussed about a selling opportunity below 2494 area, and we got the sell right after the market opening. Okay, and we can see after the market opening, gold made a low around 2490, and now gold is trying to recover again. So overall levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid, but there have been some little changes that I would like to discuss today. But at first, let's look at the market sentiment. We can see here gold prices may be volatile in short term. We need to keep in mind that this week will be very important for the upcoming NFP. And before a major event like NFP, market either remains silent or crazy volatile. So you can expect that there may not be a unidirectional market, but एक trend नहीं होगा. Okay, but market may be volatile or market may stay inside a range. Okay, but we also need to look at the economic calendar because today is Labor Day, very important. So either the market will be silent or crazy volatile. Earlier, in case of in holidays, okay, market used to be silent, market used to be flat, but these days, okay, we also see unexpected volatility sometimes. So be careful. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities. Okay. So as I said, okay, market made a low of 2490 and now market is doing a 2497 while I am recording the video. So on the chart of gold, the best support is still around 2470. So if there is a big drop in the market, we can expect a good bounce around this area. And if you are holding a buy position as a positional trader, okay, if you're holding a long position, buy position as a position trader, you can still hold because we can see that overall trend is still up, but at this one market is little sideways. Okay. And if you are a day trader, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. And at this moment, we can see the market is little under pressure. So as a day trader, it will be better for us to go with the present trend, which is on the sell side. Okay. Now you can see that after breaking a low of 2494, okay, market went up and market is struggling around 2499 area, and we have a new Fibonacci setup here. So during the day, okay, or after some time, if you see gold going up again as a day trader, okay, we can look for a resistance around 2504 to 2505. This is our new resistance on the chart of gold, and around this area you can see the previous trend line which was working as support will also work as resistance here. So as a day trader, as a scalper, not as a swing trader, okay, as a swing trader you cannot take a sell and sit on it. But as a day trader or scalper, if you see market struggling around 2504, 2505 area, you can go for a sell position. How much you can expect? 1:1 is to reward ratio. Okay, you can go for a stop loss of 30 pips, and initially you can target 30, but 40 is also possible. In this market, before the US session, 30-40 pips is also good enough. And if market breaks the level, because you need to follow one thing very seriously, one level, one touch only. Okay, for example, okay, right now we can see the market is facing some resistance around 2498 2499 area. So next time when market will be going up again, let's say after one hour market goes up, do not take a sell here again. One level, one touch only. My dear friends, world's most affordable forex trading workshop is starting from this month. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. But at first, please read my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. So just click here, you'll come to this page. Just go through the story, okay, so that you can understand that everything is possible and achievable if you follow the right path. As I said, it's a 7 days workshop. So initially there will be 3 classes and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here. You can see we have time left, but you can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free market updates, analysis in our WhatsApp group. These are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen these topics that we need to understand to survive in the market. You can see here on first day we will be discussing why traders lose money. On second, how to make money. And third day is the most important. We will be discussing about risk management and discipline. After the workshop, we'll be getting the lot size calculator sheet and many stuff here. And along with that, you will be a member of the Pro Trader group where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and our Telegram community. And my dear friends, this is how our WhatsApp group looks like. You will find regular market updates, analysis, and yes, during important events, we also have live sessions. And this is our Telegram community where you'll find traders from all around the world to ask questions, share ideas. It's a lovely, colorful community to interact. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. You can see I have not mentioned any smart money concept, fair value gaps here because those things are just overhyped, not required to make money and survive in the market. All the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and due to time difference, if you're unable to attend also, no need to worry. I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. For 7 days workshop and 1 month support is only $20. Okay, and trading is a journey. Trading takes time and trading also requires guidance. So my dear friends, you can also sign up for very affordable semi-annual or lifetime support where you will be receiving 2 personal sessions in semi-annual and 6 personal sessions in lifetime support. And you'll also be receiving WhatsApp support from my side. These are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. That's all, my dear friends. Thank you. Now, we have the first resistance around 2504, 2505 area, and second resistance is around 2508, 2510 area. Okay. Why? Because we have FIBO 50% retracement level. We can see previous support will be working as resistance. Along with that, the 200 moving average also coming down. So around 2508, 2510 also we can expect a quick sell opportunity, and the second selling opportunity will come around 2512, 2515. Okay, this is also another level, and then the fourth level is around 2519, 2521. This level is still the same from Saturday, but we have some minor changes on the other levels. Okay, so why 2508? I explained 2508, 2510 because of FIBO 50% retracement level, previous support working as resistance, along with that 200 moving average. We are considering 2513, 2515 area because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, we have dynamic resistance around this area. So if we combine all the factors, as a day trader, definitely we can expect some sort of selling around this area. So we can go for quick entry and exit. Okay. And if market doesn't go up, already we can see the market is under little pressure here. If market doesn't go up, then obviously we can look for a sell below 2490 again, but be careful because of the holiday there may not be a volume in the market, and if there is not enough volume in the market, okay, then we may not get a clean fall. Okay, we may not get a clean fall. In that case, market may go down in a zigzag pattern. And if you are looking for a buy position, then at this moment next buy may come around 2470, around 2480 also. Okay, around 2480 also you can expect some sort of buying, but 2470 is the best level to go for a buy position as a support. 2480, yes, you can consider as a buy position, but as a day trader only. But the rest of the opportunities that we just discussed right now are simply based on the present trend of the market, which is little bit towards on the sell side. But as a buyer, okay, or as a position trader, okay, if you're having a buy, you can still hold your buy position. And if you're a swing trader, then at this moment I will not recommend anything, because we have NFP just after a few days. Okay, so be careful. And today there may be some changes in the trading hours. Contact your broker to know about the timing. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.